This is my first Durga puja look. Today I am wearing a crop top with a palazzo pant. So let's see how to create this look.
Awakened by the morning sun, new day have just begun. Through the open window, warm and gentle wind invites you to take a walk. Walking down the sunny street, humming, moving to the beat of the happy song from your headphones, passing block by block. Feeling good with no reason, free yourself from that prison. Leave behind useless to do. Ooh, sunny, shining so bright, everything is alright. The whole world is smiling to you. Lay down beneath the shady tree, evoke the pleasant memories. In the shape of a cloud, what can you see? Bunny or fairy remember your child dream, perfect, shiny and clean. Start to do those things you wanted to do, and you find yourself feeling good with no reason. Free yourself from that prison. Leave behind useless to do. Ooh, sunny, shining so bright, everything is alright. The whole world is smiling to you. Feeling good with no reason. Free yourself from that prison. Leave behind useless to do. Ooh, sunny, shining so bright, everything is alright. The whole world is smiling to you. Feeling good with no reason. Free yourself from that prison. Leave behind useless to do. Ooh, sunny, shining so bright, everything is alright. The whole world is smiling to you. Awakened by the morning sun, new day have just begun. Through the open window, warm and gentle wind invites you to take a walk. Walking down the sunny street, humming, moving to the beat of the happy song from your headphones, passing block by block. Feeling good with no reason. Free yourself from that prison. Leave behind useless to do. Ooh, sunny, shining so bright, everything is alright. The whole so far